This is how to prepare a turkey for Thanksgiving. Take the turkey out of the fridge. This is a 22.5 pound turkey. Farm fresh. Remove the turkey from the bag. Get your turkey roasting pan ready. We're going to remove the turkey from the bag. So first step, we have to remove the organs that are inside the turkey. So take off one leg. Pull the neck out. So after removing the neck, go to the other end of the turkey and remove the bag of organs. You can save that with the neck. Okay, now we're going to add the seasoning. So we take a roasting bag, add 2 tablespoons of flour, shake the bag to coat it, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. You can attach the leg back to the plastic piece. I'm going to place it directly into this bag. Alright. Perfect fit. Now we'll season it. Put as much on as you want. Rub it in a little bit. I like a lot of flavor, so use about half the jar. When you're done seasoning it, tie the bag. Alright, now place the turkey in the oven with no lid. Set a timer for 5.5 hours and then check it. It should be at the right temp and be ready to let it rest and then eat. Thank you for watching.